Alright, so welcome. Let us enjoy this exponential equation and let's see how easy this can be and the technicalities involved in this. Alright, so I'm going to have 3 raised to power 3x minus 8 is equal to, I'll add this to both sides of the equation. So that means this coming here is going to be 1 all over 3 raised to power x minus 2. And when it goes here to add to 0, 0 plus it is still going to be the same thing as this, so the 0 is not effective at that point. So at this point I'm going to, since this is a base 3, I want to make this to be in base 3 alone. So this is going to be 3 raised to power 3x minus 8 is equal to 3 raised to power minus 1, right? Or bracket x minus 2. Because whenever you have 1 all over 3, the answer is going to be 3 raised to power minus 1. And then I have to maintain this power. Now the both sides of the equation have the same base. Therefore, I'm going to equate the powers. So I'm going to have 3x minus 8 is going to be minus x plus 2. This multiplied by this is going to be minus x. Minus 1 times minus 2 is going to be plus 2. So at this point, I'm going to have that. We have 4x and we have 10. Because minus x is adding to this 3x. So it's going to be 4x, and 2 minus 8 is adding to this 2, so it's going to be 10. So x is going to be 5 over 2, because 10 divided by 4 is going to be 5 over 2. Thank you for being part of this class. Please, I'm begging you, comment, like, subscribe, and share this video.